In this video, we're going to take a closer look at our 280ZX lower dash panels. This one here is for the driver's side. This one's here is for the passenger side. Left-hand drive only. And so we're going to take a look at these. We're going to look at some of the factory ones and just kind of real briefly touch on the hardware and how you put them in. And these panels are all aluminum. These ones are raw, but you can also get them. We also make them available powder coated black. And they install just like the factory ones do. Let's see, we have a hacked up driver's side panel here. You can see the tabs on the top that slide up underneath your dash, and you have 2 screws that hold them into place. And we've provided some new replacement stainless steel screws, also with some slotted holes in our unit here, so you have a little bit of adjustment up and down. The lights are deleted. This isn't standard. Previous owner cut this up. And then as far as your hood latch, we don't have it recessed, but just based on the angle of which the way this sits, it's real easy and clean to reach up inside here and still release the hood latch. So that's the driver's side. And similar thing on the passenger side. Here we have the factory panel. Again, previous owner cut that up, but the light and this lower tab we've removed. But as far as the way that this panel slides in and installs, you would basically just put this in the reverse order of how you took the other one out, and we have the new hardware to go with it. You can buy just the driver's side or passenger side, or you can get them as a set. These pair really well with our 280ZX dash center panel, which is also an aluminum replacement panel. And you can find these at Skillard.com. If you have any questions, please send us an email to sales@Skillard.com.